guys, this is Evelyn. I'm an online marketer, web developer, and Fiverr seller. And today I want to show you how I combined Elementor with UX Builder to create a design that my client wished for. So the initial situation was that my client had an existing website. They were doing, they are doing cakes, and this is his front page. Looks like this. It starts with a slider. Then he has a product section. Then he explains a bit about the cake, and then he has the contact section. He was not completely satisfied with the design, and he asked me if I can do a suggestion for a new landing page, for a new homepage. So my suggestion was this. Instead of the slide, I wanted to have a big picture, then show the founder and already start to introduce the company. Then highlight the USP with icon boxes. Explain more about their cakes and what is special about them. They all have a unique message. I think that's really lovely. This is an image slider with the occasions you can use them on. Then I included the products again with the WooCommerce shortcode. Here's a link to the shop. Here is introduction to the About Us page. A quote of the company founder, and her contact details. So they liked the design I sent them through. They were happy with it, but they said that they want to keep some things of the old design. So what they sent me is they want to keep the slider and the products directly under it from the old design. And then they want to have my section, but I should remove the product so that it's not double in there. I knew that their previous page was not built with Elementor, which is my, at the moment, favorite page builder. So, and I knew it was built with another visual builder, which was UX Builder. And I Googled it, and the first information I found was that you cannot combine the elements of two different visual builders. And so I thought I have to redesign the elements from the previous page within the Elementor page builder. I didn't want to do that and thought there must be an easier way to do it. And actually I had an idea what, like a shortcut that could work, and it worked. So I want to share this tip with you because it might save you some time. So what I did was I opened the old page they had, and I said that I want to, you can edit it visually, then it looks like this, right? Or you can say edit this as HTML. So I copied the HTML code from the first start page, and I inserted it into my Notepad++. Okay, then I was going to the old start page and looked for the elements they want to keep. So they want to keep the slider, and they want to keep the products. And the rest, starting from here, they don't want. So I'm taking this heading, inspect, let's see how it looks to understand a bit better where to look in the code. Okay. Yeah, we can see this is a container with a fill, and above that are the products. So I'm going back to my code, and I'm looking for the contents in the heading. Yeah, so here around I can start to look, and I see here still products. Yeah, we want to have that. That's products. Yeah, and then here starts the banner with the like purplish color in the background. So I don't want to have all this. Let's go ahead and delete it. And this is the code part that I want to keep. So I'm going to copy all of this. And here comes the trick now. I'm going into Elementor, where I created my version of the page. And let's move me a bit so that you can see that better. Move me here. Okay. So they want to start with the slider from the old content. So right above where I created the page, I'm going to click New. And I'm gonna add an element, and when you click here, you find all the elements available in Elementor, and I'm going to choose the HTML. So now I'm gonna copy my code or paste my code that I found within the UX builder, and it looks horrible, but I'm gonna save it. Now we go to the page. Here with the eye, we can enter the preview. And actually, it loads. So other than the information I found first, yes, it is possible to combine elements created in two different page builders, at least with Elementor and UX Builder. Slider is working, as you can see, just fine. Below that, I have the products, just as he wanted to have it within his file. And then my section starts. So he wanted to start my section with the icon boxes already. So all I have to do right now to be able to finish this is go down, remove the elements that he didn't want. And also I also included a product section with the WooCommerce shortcode. We don't need that because otherwise the products will be double. I'm gonna save it. And let's see how the page looks. So we start with the slider from the old page. Yes, perfect. Then we have the sliders working just fine. No worries here. Then we have the products. Yeah, that's what you wanted. Then the icon boxes and the introduction I made. Icon boxes, introduction. Oh, are the products still here? No. So the page I had open. And then the about us, the quote, and the contact section. Perfect. So I'm going to put this live now and send this over to my client. This was a quick fix. It was done in some minutes, and it was a lot easier than rebuilding the slider within the Elementor builder. Yeah, so I hope this helps you out. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment or find me on Fiverr, and I'm happy to help as always. Take care. Bye.